Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a kinky twist. It's going to be a wig, so it's really easy, and I'm going to show you how you can achieve this in just one simple step. So please keep watching and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Yeah, right here I'm just showing you the ones I already did off the camera. I just made them on a string, and that's what it looks like so far. I'm going to go ahead and show you the pack I'm using for this wig. It's actually a Mali twist hair. It's a kinky Mali braid hair. That's what it looks like on the pack. You can get it from any beauty store, and I'll be using at least 4 to 5 packs of this hair. um this is what it looks like I said earlier on, and it's not really full, so that's why I'll be using like 4 to 5 packs of hair. So right here, this is what I've done so far. I've actually gone to sew it on the wig cap. It's actually a dumb wig cap I'm using for this tutorial, and that's what it looks like so far. I've gone halfway already, and I'm going to be using a lace closure for this hair, a 4x4 lace closure, so it can look a little bit natural when I install it. So right here, I'm just going to show you how I make a twist, a kinky twist on a string. So you can see when I pass the hair on the string, I just split it into two equal parts, and I begin to twist together. So as you can see, the way my hands are moving, you're just gonna keep twisting back and forth till you get to the end of the braid. It's really easy. Just keep watching. So right here, I'm trying to show you another one. That's braiding hair, as you can see. Now I'll twist it to the right side. Then I'm going to cross it to the left side and start twisting the one on the left. I'm going to twist them together, and now I'm going to start crisscrossing them together. It's really easy. And please, when you're doing this, make sure you're not doing it too tight, because it's not a Senegalese twist. This is a kinky twist. So it's going to be a little loose, please. All you're going to be doing right here is just twisting them together. Make sure you're crisscrossing them together. And make sure your hand is a little loose while you're doing this. final look. This is how the kinky twist came out. So this is what it looks like. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like every little bit of it. And I just hope that you also learned something from it and you'll be able to make your own kinky twist. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment at the bottom section. Give me a thumbs up and please share this video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.